Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a medication that has changed the lives of many, Sildenafil, known by its brand name, Viagra. We'll cover everything from its uses to how it works, and the important precautions you should keep in mind. Sildenafil is mainly used to treat erectile dysfunction and certain types of pulmonary arterial hypertension. It's an effective solution for improving exercise capacity and enjoying a healthier sex life. So, how does sildenafil work? It relaxes the muscles in the walls of blood vessels and increases blood flow to specific areas of the body, which makes it effective for its intended purposes. Regarding the dosage, it is essential to strictly follow your doctor's instructions. Generally, the starting dose is low and can be adjusted based on effectiveness and tolerance. Remember to take it about an hour before any planned activity, but not more than once a day. While sildenafil is beneficial, it does have some side effects. The most common ones include headaches, flushing, and upset stomach. It is important to be aware of the more serious risks, such as sudden vision loss or hearing problems, and to seek immediate medical attention if these occur. As for precautions, sildenafil is not for everyone. It should be avoided with certain medications such as nitrates, and is not recommended for people with certain health conditions. Always discuss your medical history with a professional before you start taking sildenafil. In short, sildenafil can significantly improve quality of life when used correctly. Always consult with a healthcare professional to make sure it is safe for you and follow their instructions on how to use it effectively. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe and informed.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.